Good day, everyone. Today, I will be presenting the Training Needs Analysis or TNA, specifically Forms 1.2 and 1.3 for artificial insemination in large ruminants and situ. This presentation will focus on identifying training gaps and converting them into training needs or requirements. In Form 1.2, we start by identifying training gaps. These are based on the results of TNA Form 1.1. If a competency was marked no in Form 1.1, meaning the student has not yet mastered it, it is transferred to the training gaps or requirements section of Form 1.2. On the other hand, competencies marked yes are copied to the current competencies section. For example, under basic competencies such as workplace communication, teamwork, career professionalism, and occupational health and safety, some students showed strengths in areas like conveying information and participating in workplace meetings. However, training gaps were noted in setting work priorities, maintaining professional growth, and evaluating and controlling hazards. In common competencies, students were generally competent in applying safety measures and performing calculations, but gaps were found in preventive maintenance and proper operation of farm tools and equipment. While on core competencies, which are basic to artificial insemination, gaps were identified in assessing animal readiness, maintaining semen quality, and performing post-insemination activities. Lastly, in elective competencies, we observed that the need for more training in conducting community awareness programs about artificial insemination. So, after identifying the gaps, we move to Form 1.3 or the TNA Form 1.3, which converts these into training needs or requirements. This step ensures that the gaps become clear learning objectives. For example, for basic competencies, the training needs include practicing career professionalism by setting work priorities and maintaining growth, strengthening occupational health and safety, particularly in evaluating and controlling this. While in common competencies, the training needs highlights applying safety measures in farm operation, including safekeeping and disposal of tools, using farm tools and equipment correctly, with emphasis on preventive maintenance, performing accurate estimation and workplace calculation. For core competencies, which are critical to artificial insemination, the identified training needs are first, establishing readiness by validating client and animal information and properly assessing readiness. Second, preparing for artificial insemination, including semen preparation and quality maintenance. Third, performing the insemination procedure itself, from semen preparation to deposition and post-AI activities. Lastly, completing documentation and reports accurately. Finally, for elective competencies, the need is to strengthen the ability to conduct community awareness programs to inform and educate clientele about artificial insemination. So, in summary, Forms 1.2 and 1.3 allows us to clearly see the strengths and weaknesses of our trainees. By identifying gaps and converting them into training needs, we can design focused learning modules that will help students become fully competent in artificial insemination for large ruminants. So that would be all. Thank you.